I visited my local thrift store over the weekend, and here is my receipt showing you that I purchased 11 items for $38, and if you divide them by 11, I spent only $3 per item. So today I'm gonna flip some of those beautiful items and I'm gonna show you how I did it. I got this wired vintage basket, and as soon as I saw it, I knew what I'm gonna do with it. I removed the bottom and I wanted to paint it all white. I think that bottom is made out of resin, got all that 3D leaves and florals. And after I painted white with a white chalk paint, I am using my black DIY wax, and with a wipe I'm just going over around my floral and the leaves and bring that rustic vintage look to my basket. This beautiful basket, you can use it as a decorative piece in your vignettes and it's gonna look so beautiful and unique. After I added the wax, now with a clear wipe, I'm just going over and removing the wax and just leaving that little bit touch of that wax, and I think it looks just perfect. And that's it for this flip. Super quick and easy flip, but we just bring a new life to an old vintage basket that we only purchased it for $3 or less. I'm also adding a white wax around the basket just to seal it and bring an extra texture to it, and that's it. Let me know what do you think and if you like this unique, beautiful basket. Another amazing 5 under 5 challenge this month, and our challenge is thrift flips under $5. Our hosts are Emily and Missi. Emily Farm Charm Chic, Missi Crafty Cove DIY, and guest host this month is Errin from Aimless Squirrel. All these beautiful ladies, they're linked in my description box along with the amazing playlist and so much home inspirations. For my next flip, I got this round frame and I want to make it over. I like the black frame around it. I mean, I can always paint it white or any paint, but this time I just leave it as it is. All I want to do is work on the inside. I'm going to work on the round frame first, and I decide this round frame to add these IOD stamps with it and just give that rustic vintage French country shabby chic look. So with the stamp, I'm just going on one of those newspaper stamps that I got, and I'm gonna go around the frame with it. Now that I got the ink on the stamps, slowly I'm just going around the edges of this round frame. Super simple and quick and easy makeover for my art piece, and we're gonna bring it such a beautiful new life to it. Now that we got my frame ready, we're gonna make some experiments. I'm gonna be using this white faux leather vinyl cutout from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna cut it off in the same shape as my frame, and after that we're gonna add some designs to it. For extra embellishment, I'm adding the 3D pearl stickers. I know it's too light for you to see, but you know what I'm talking about. Those pearl stickers, you can always find them at Dollar Tree, and they look so perfect around the edges, like this frame was made with it originally. I'm adding my vinyl cutout in the middle just to see where I'm gonna add my embellishment and to make them nice and straight. I'm gonna be adding those H2O redesigned with Prima transfers. First, I'm adding this floral I'm showing you, and I like to work with them. I tried them on different pots on my previous videos, and this time I wanted to try it on this faux leather vinyl and see how it's gonna look. So before I position it in the middle, I'm gonna just sprinkle water and then I'm gonna add it in there. Also, I'm gonna be adding more florals, as you can see. I just wanted to see where I'm gonna add them before I apply water on them. And now, as you can see, simple as that, with a wipe and a water, I will just dab, 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 and simple as that, we're gonna have a nice, beautiful transfer on our art piece today. You gotta be careful removing it because they're so slippery, because they're all like watery. But here it is, I'm showing you slowly removing it, and all that transfer is on. Now I'm repeating the same way with the other two florals on the side. I love those transfers. They're so easy to work with. This is the same process that we are doing with ribbon transfers, except we gotta use the water and we gotta be careful when we're removing them because they're so wet. If some of you already use those H2O transfers, let me know, what do you think? I prefer the ribbon transfers, they're the best, but I like those H2O transfers as well. We can always use them for different home decorations that we are working on. You can even use it on a furniture. I mean, they're always so much fun, and you're just bringing your look, home decor look, to a very high end. Next, I'm making experiments. I'm gonna be adding some ribbon transfers. Those are also from Redesign with Prima. I got them this spring, so I'm just gonna cut off those floral edges and I'm gonna add them to my art piece. I'm also adding two other designs on the side, and I think this look is complete. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like this look, or you prefer other look on the background? I'm also gonna show you how I added a darker floral after this is done, and you be the judge. But I like this soft white with the black. I like this beautiful vintage French country look to it. This is the other look that I was thinking to add, but I like the white background better. For the next flip, I'm gonna be using this vintage metal rustic stand. I seal it with a Mod Podge before I paint it. I gave it a 2 good coats of a white chalk paint, and now that is nice dry, I'm just gonna sand it out so we can have that rustic color peek through it. And this is such a easy flip. You just add some paint and you just bring this old rustic stand back to life, and you can put it on your vignette and it's gonna look super beautiful with all that beautiful design to it. I love it. Now with a clean brush, I'm just going over to get rid of all that dust from the sanding. And after that, I'm gonna be giving a little bit of black DIY wax, just so we can have all those crevices look through and have all that details on this beautiful stand. And I just love it how it all came out. For my next flip, I'm using this galvanized planter or vase, and I'm gonna do the same process like I did for my other flips. I'm just give it a 2 good coats, but this time I just mixed it with a salt wash just to give it a texture. And now that it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna be adding another H2O transfer, and I am showing you all these beautiful floral prints, how easy I transfer them just with the water and with a wipe. I'm just dabbing it off until this floral is fully transferred on my planter, and I really love how it all came out. For those of you who doesn't know me, I am C, and this is CJ DIY, where we have too much fun creating all those beautiful home decor under budget. And as you can see, slowly I'm removing the bottom of my transfers, and here you go, how it all came out. Let me know, what do you think? I am in love with this vase. It's so cute and unique. With those transfers, you can make beautiful, unique home decor look. Also, with the sponge, I'm just gonna go around and mixture of my left out wax, black and white to seal it. I'm just going over, and that's it. We're gonna add some florals that I got in my crafting stash, and I got a beautiful looking vase / planter for our vignette. For my next flip, I'm gonna be using this mini vintage planter. It's so cute. I think I only pay $1 for it. I'm gonna remove this floral. I like this floral. I'm gonna use it for my fall decor this year. So I'm gonna wash it off very good, and I'm gonna use it for some other projects. But this time I'm gonna be working on my planter. So after I remove the floral, I leave the foam inside because I'm gonna be adding some flowers to it. After I mix the white chalk paint with the salt wash, I give it a 2 good coats, and now when it's all nice and dry, I'm just sanding it off so we can have that rustic look peek through it. And I'm also gonna add some dark wax to seal it, and we're gonna add some florals, and that's it. Super cute and easy flip. I love those planters. I got a couple of them. I got a larger version, smaller version. I mean, I love this beautiful look to this beautiful planter. And now I'm gonna be adding some floral. I got those branches. I'm just cutting it off. I got it in my crafting stash. I got it on clearance from Michael's for just a couple of dollars. And after I cut them off, I'm just gonna add them. Super cute and easy arrangements. And it matched just perfect to my decor today. Usually, if you have noticed, I like when I craft something, I like everything to match together. And I think today I made everything matching all together with this beautiful vintage look. And you gotta let me know, what do you think? Do you like this look? And do you like how I bring from trash to treasure just for a couple of dollars? And look how high-end they look. Let me know if I inspire you today, if I gave you some motivations for you to visit a thrift store and just spend a couple of dollars and bring something old back to life. And until next time, my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. And don't forget to check out the amazing playlist with Emily, Missi, Errin, and all those beautiful, talented creators. And until next time, bye-bye!